Where do I enter the tax forms 1098 ET or C in TurboTax Online? Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about the process of exactly where you should input the tax form 1098 ET or C while using the TurboTax. So let's get started. So if your 1098 document includes a letter such as E, T, or C following the number, make sure to incorporate that letter into the search function. And this addition will significantly assist you in locating the appropriate section within the TurboTax software, ensuring a smoother feeling experience. Form 1098E specifically serves the purpose of reporting the amount of the student loan interest you have paid over the course of the tax year. It's essential to include this information accurately because it can affect your overall tax return and any deductions you may be entitled to. On the other hand, Form 1098T is a tuition statement that provides a breakdown of qualified education expenses, and this form can be particularly important for the students or the parents claiming educational tax credits. And lastly, we have Form 1098C, which pertains to the charitable donation of the vehicle, whether it's a car, boat, or airplane. When you donate any of these items to charity, this form documents the contribution for your tax records. TurboTax is designed to walk you through the process step by step, letting you know precisely where to enter each specific form. So that brings us to the conclusion of this video. I hope you found this information helpful. Do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.